Breastfeeding is an incredibly emotional and fulfilling experience for both mother and baby, but when it's time to stop, it can feel overwhelming. Whether you're experiencing some discomfort or feeling unsure about the process, you're not alone. In this video, we're sharing a step-by-step guide to help you gently transition away from breastfeeding without the pain and guilt. Why it's important. We understand that stopping breastfeeding can stir up all sorts of emotions: guilt, sadness, and even confusion. But it is important to recognize that this transition is just another step in your journey as a parent. Your child will continue to thrive, and you can make the process smoother for both of you. Step 1. Gradually reduce feeding sessions instead of stopping abruptly. Begin by gradually decreasing the number of breastfeeding sessions each day. This gives your body and your baby the chance to adjust. You can start by eliminating one session a day and gradually adding formula or solid food into your child's routine. Step 2. Offer only one breast per feeding. Offering only one breast at a time can help reduce milk production more gently. Over time, your body will begin to naturally produce less milk, easing both physical discomfort and the emotional side of the transition. Step 3. Manage discomfort. If you experience discomfort, such as engorgement or tenderness, there are several solutions. Applying cold compresses, using a breast pump just enough to relieve pressure, or massaging the area can provide relief. Don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional if pain becomes unmanageable. Step 4. Address emotional guilt. It's natural to feel a sense of loss, but remember, you're still giving your baby your love, care, and nourishment in new ways. Bonding doesn't end with breastfeeding. Take comfort in knowing that you're making the best decision for both your well-being and your baby's. Step 5. Seek emotional support. Don't be afraid to reach out for support. Whether it's from a partner, friend, or a community of parents going through the same thing, having a support system can make a world of difference. You don't have to go through this alone. In conclusion, we hope this guide has helped ease your worries about stopping breastfeeding. Remember, it's a journey, and every step you take is one of love and care. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with other parents who might need the support. We wish you the best as you navigate this beautiful, challenging stage of parenting. If you have any tips or questions about the process, feel free to leave a comment below. Let's keep supporting each other on this journey.